You ever notice something strange about attraction? Most women assume men only fall for what they see. The hair, the outfit, the face, the curves, and yes, those things matter. But what so many women never realize is this. Men are also pulled in by something invisible, something that slips straight into their memory and stays there long after you walk away. I'm talking about scent. Here's the real problem. You can look stunning. You can be charming, confident, kind. But if nothing about you lingers in his senses, he forgets you faster than you think. Not because he wants to, but because men are wired differently. Their brains attach emotion to scent. One small hint can bring back a moment, a feeling, a desire they didn't even know they were holding on to. And if you're not using that to your advantage, you're leaving a lot of magnetic power on the table. Think about it. Ever seen a woman who isn't the most gorgeous in the room, but men remember her, chase her, talk about her like she has some kind of spell? It's not magic, it's the connection her fragrance created. A scent that hit his senses in a way he can't shake off. Something that makes him feel drawn in, almost addicted. Without that, everything else becomes harder. You put on your best outfit. You fix your hair. You smile more. But something still isn't landing. He likes the moment, yet the next day, you're gone from his mind. And that hurts because every woman wants to be the one he remembers, the one he thinks about when the room gets quiet, the one who lives in his head long after she leaves. But without the right scent, that memory just doesn't stick. Now imagine this. You meet a man who genuinely interests you. The chemistry feels good. The conversation flows. But tomorrow, silence. He doesn't reach out. He doesn't follow up. Why? Because nothing from that moment attached itself to his senses. But if he caught even a trace of a fragrance that made him associate you with warmth, desire, curiosity, he'd feel you even when you're not there. He'd wake up thinking of you. He'd go to sleep replaying your presence. His senses would pull him back to you without him even knowing why. That's the power women overlook. But the good news? You don't need to guess. You don't need to change yourself. There are certain fragrances proven to stir emotion and attraction in men's sense that break his logic and melt his self-control. Vanilla for comfort, lavender for closeness, jasmine for sensuality, rose for romance, sandalwood for depth, cinnamon for heat, musk for raw desire. When used intentionally, you stop being just another woman. You become unforgettable, the scent he looks for in a crowd. This isn't manipulation. It's connection. Scent tells a story without words, and when he experiences that story through you, it bonds him on a level he can't explain. So the next time you get ready, don't just think about how you look, think about the feeling you want to leave behind.